Hello guys, if you're looking to report a safety violation observed during a crash testing process or related to NCAP protocols, it's important to understand that global NCAP does not handle individual road violation reports and it's focused on vehicle crash testing and safety advocacy. Here's what you can do. So, first you will need to understand what global NCAP does. So, it performs crash tests on vehicles in regions like India, Latin America, and Africa, evaluating features such as airbags, ESC, child protection, and pedestrian impact. Now, Global NCAP is a UK registered charity promoting transparency and better vehicle safety standards, not law enforcement. Now, if you want to report a road or testing violation, it's not handled by NCAP. NCAP ratings assesses vehicles in controlled lab crash tests. They don't process external violations like unsafe driving or testing protocol breaches. You can contact local road safety authorities instead. So for dangerous driving or illegal road conditions, contact your national or local transportation or traffic enforcement agency. And if you suspect a testing lab is misreporting or non-compliant, reach out to accredited test lab or its governing oversight body like ARAI or ICAT in India. Now, write to Global NCAP team via their website to highlight broader safety concerns, example, misleading ratings or missing safety features. They may address systematic violations through advocacy campaigns. Now, quick summary, Global NCAP does not accept reports to traffic or testing violations online. Instead, direct enforcement issues to local authorities, report lab concerns to labs regulator, and share broader safety worries with Global NCAP so they can spotlight systematic issues in their advocacy efforts. So that's how you do it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.